Now, the next topic is the volume of cylinder. As a cuboid is built up with rectangles of the same size, in the same manner, we can make cuboid with the circles of the same size. Now, this is a circle. Let the area of this circle will be A is equal to pi r square. Now, when we keep the circles one above the other up to a height of h, then what we will get? We will get a cylinder whose radius is r and height is equal to h. Now, what will be the volume of the cylinder? Or what is the capacity of this cylinder? So, the volume of the cylinder, it will be given by the area of base into height. Now, what is the base? Base is a circle. So, it will be pi r square into h. Thus, the volume of cylinder is pi r square h, where r is the base radius and h is the height of the cylinder. Exercise 13.6, first question. The circumference of the base of a cylindrical vessel is 132 centimeter and its height is 25 centimeters. How many liters of water can it hold? What we want to calculate? How many liters of water can it hold? It means we have to find the we have to find the volume. Volume of what? Volume of the cylindrical vessel. Now, what you know? What is the volume of cylinder? It is pi r square h. So, first of all, we have to find out what is r. Now, what is given to us? We have circumference of the base of the cylindrical vessel is 132 centimeter. So, what this implies? 2 pi r. Circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. So, 2 pi r equal to 132. So, this implies 2 into 22 by 7 into r equal to 132. So, from this, what we will get? R equal to 132 into 7 upon 2 into 22. 11 2s are, 11 1s are, 11 2s are, 2 6 are. So the radius will be 6 7s are 42, 42 upon 2, that is 21 centimeter. So what we are having? Radius. Now since we are having the radius, we can easily find the volume of the cylinder. So the volume of the cylinder is pi r square h. So it will be 22 by 7 into r square, 21 square into h. What is our h? H is 25. So by cancelling, what we will get? Our answer will be 34650. 34650 centimeter square. Now 1 centimeter square is equal to 1 liter. So 1 centimeter square will be 1 upon 1000 liter. So with this, what we will get? 34650 upon 1000 liter, which will be 34.650 liter. So the volume of the water, or the liters of water which the cylinder holds, is 34.65 liters. Now the question number 2, the inner diameter of the base of a cylindrical wooden pipe is 24 centimeter and its outer diameter is 28 centimeter. The length of pipe is 35 centimeter. Find the mass of the pipe if 1 cubic centimeter of wood has a mass of 0.6 gram. So this should be 1 cubic centimeter. Now we are having a cylindrical pipe. So pipe is like this. So this is a pipe. इस pipe में क्या है? Outer, we are having a thickness. Inner diameter is there, a thickness is there, and outer is there. So here this is the outer diameter, this is the inner diameter of the pipe, and in this region only we are having the steel. और अंदर से ये कैसा होगा, या जिस भी मटेरियल से बना और अंदर से ये कैसा होगा, हॉलो होगा. So what we have to find, how much material is, with how much material it is made. So how to find that? To find that we have to calculate the volume of the pipe, and the volume of the pipe will be the volume of this outer cylinder minus volume of this inner cylinder. इस पूरे में से छोटे वाले सिलेंडर को माइनस कर देंगे, उसका वॉल्यूम माइनस कर देंगे, so we will get the volume of the pipe. Now for cylinder, what is given? Di is equal to 24 centimeter, inner diameter 24 centimeter, so the inner radius will be 12 centimeter. In the same way, outer diameter is 28 centimeter, so the outer diameter will be 14 centimeter. As I told you, volume of pipe will be volume of the outer cylinder minus volume of the inner cylinder. So by putting the value pi r(O) square h minus pi ri square h, we will use the formula to find the volume of the cylinder. So taking out pi common, we will get r(O) square minus ri square into h. So 22/7, 14 square minus 12 square into 25. Now what is this? This is a square minus b square. So what is a square minus b square? A plus b, a minus b. So this is 22/7, 14 minus 12, 14 plus 12 into 35. So 22/7 into 6 into 26 into 35. So our answer is 5760 cubic centimeter. So what is the volume of the, thus what is the volume of the cylindrical pipe? The volume of the cylindrical pipe is 5720. Now what we have to find? We have to find the mass of the pipe. If 1 cubic centimeter of wood, 1 cubic centimeter of wood has a mass of 0.6 gram. So it means what is given to us? Mass of 1 cubic centimeter of wood कितना है? 0.6 ग्राम है. अब ये हमारा पाइप किससे बना हुआ है? वुड से बना हुआ है. तो कितना, अब उस वॉल्यूम ऑफ द वुड कितना निकला? 5720 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब निकला. सो व्हाट विल बी द मास ऑफ 5720 cubic centimeter of wood with which the pipe is made? ये पाइप का वॉल्यूम है ना, so it will be 0.6 into 5720. So this gives the answer 34320. So it will be gram. कितना आ रहा है? So the answer will be 34320 grams, and in kg it will be 3.432. So 3.432 kg.
In which a lead pencil is given.
In question number 7, we are given with a pencil. In the pencil, we are having this graphite. ठीक है, और बाहर क्या है? Wood. So what is given to us? So suppose this is your pencil. This portion, white portion, is showing you the wood, and this shaded portion is showing the graphite. Now what is given to us? The diameter of the pencil is 7 millimeter. Diameter of the pencil means this. Diameter of the whole pencil is 7 millimeter, and the diameter of the graphite is given as 1 millimeter, while the length of the pencil is given as 14 centimeter. Now this is in centimeter. We are converting everything in the centimeter. तो ये डायामीटर जो 7 मिलीमीटर है वो कितना हो जाएगा 0.7 सेंटीमीटर. क्लियर. So to calculate the radius, what we will do? We will find 0.7 upon 2 centimeter. So it will be 0.35 centimeter. So the diameter radius of the pencil will be 0.35 centimeter. ये जो outer radius है ये कितना हो गया 0.35. Now what is the diameter of the graphite? ये अंदर वाले सर्कल का कितना diameter है 1 मिलीमीटर. कन्वर्ट किए तो कितना आया 0.1 सेंटीमीटर. और उसको रेडियस में कन्वर्ट किए तो क्या आया 0.1 upon 2, so 0.05 centimeter. Now what we have to calculate? Wood, volume of wood and the volume of the graphite. Now volume of wood, ये जो white portion है वो कैसे निकलेगा? पूरे में से, पूरे वॉल्यूम में से क्या माइनस करना पड़ेगा? दिस वॉल्यूम ऑफ द ग्रेफाइट. सो फॉर द वॉल्यूम ऑफ वुड, what we will find? Volume of pencil minus volume of graphite. And by putting the value, क्या आ जाएगा? Pi r p square h minus pi r g square h. Take out pi h common, rp square into rg square. Now putting the value, you can get the volume of the wood. And in the next problem, we have to find the volume of graphite. Volume of the graphite means this portion. So what will be the volume of this? Simply we have to find the volume. So pi r g square h, है ना? Volume of graphite क्या हो जाएगा? Pi r g square h. Now put the value and get your answer.